subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has launched its new A-series phone in China called Oppo A1x with 5G support, and it seems to be a rebranded version of the Oppo A58x smartphone that was launched back in December last year. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A1x features a 6.56-inch HD Plus IPS display with 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a tall 89.8% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Oppo A1x supports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top left corner that includes a 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture along with the 2MP portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. And at the front, it has 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and it runs on Android 12 out of the box with ColorOS dual skin on top. Additionally, this smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.8 by 75.1 by 8mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A1x has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,399 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in quite sea blue and starry sky black color option. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A1x 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.